everybody, welcome to my channel. We have Rainbow and Mango. Mango's eating some breakfast, and in his bowl yesterday I started to put in some shredded carrots and celery. So I'm not sure if he's really eating it. I think he's eating his pellets at the bottom. This is Rainbow. We have another bowl here. Hi Rainbow, you want to eat? Yeah, I'll show you. You gonna eat? Yum yum? Okay. Over here, some yum yum? You like their celery, but how about some carrots? See, Rainbow would eat what Mango will eat. What do you eat? So I'm not sure if he ate any, but he's pecking in the bowl. See, this is what I have. Yesterday when I put it in, they were so scared, both of them came out of the cage and stayed outdoors for a while. And then they decided to go back in to eat a little bit. Down here I have some plain pellets, but over here I have the shredded carrots on top with some minced up really tiny celery. Celery they've eaten, but as a whole, like this, put to the side of the cage. Okay, so Day 3, it looks like Mango is eating his carrots. Yes, he's eating his carrots. Look at that. Did I scare him away? Okay. A Rainbow. Even Rainbow is trying it. Very good. Hooray, Rainbow's eating his carrots too. Yep, he's eating his carrots. Rainbow went to the other side to get more carrots. Hi everybody, day 4 with the carrots. Looks like he is eating it and enjoying his carrots. Let's see how he eats his carrots. Yum yum, that's very good. Okay, Mango's eating his carrots, and let's see what Rainbow is. Oh, looks like Rainbow's eating his carrots too. Let's see if we can get closer. You like your carrots, what a good boy. Okay, they're getting their vitamin A. Delicious.